Stop using a spoon to cook ground beef. You're making it harder than it needs to be. Let's be real for a second. Every time you cook ground beef, you probably grab a spoon or spatula, right? And what happens? Big chunks stay stuck together. You keep pressing, flipping, smashing. It takes forever. Sometimes the top looks cooked, but underneath, still thick pieces. It's messy, it's uneven, and honestly, it's kind of annoying. But this completely changes that. This is a meat chopper designed specifically to break ground beef quickly and evenly. Look at the shape. When you press down, it doesn't just push the meat, it cuts through it from multiple angles at once. Less effort, more control, better results. Watch this. You simply press down, give it a slight twist, and instantly the meat starts separating into small, even pieces. No more fighting with a spoon. No more big chunks hiding in the pan. And the best part? It's safe for non-stick cookware. In just seconds, your ground beef is perfectly broken down and ready to cook evenly. What does that mean for you? Faster cooking, even texture, better flavor distribution, and less time standing over the stove. If you cook burgers, tacos, pasta, or any minced meat recipes regularly, this actually makes a noticeable difference. And the crazy part? Its price is only $7 for something you'll probably use every week. If you're still using a spoon for ground beef, you might want to rethink that. Link is in the description. Also, do like and subscribe for more gadgets.